Hello! This is part of the Continental Divide. Right down there, I'm parked at Hooser Pass. This is the east side. Okay, let me see if I can figure this out. Right over there is Quandary Peak. Okay, right down here is Hooser Pass. Then those peaks up there, in no certain order, are Cameron, Lincoln, Democrat, and Boss. Down here is Alma, and way over there is Fairplay. Down here is a place that I've hiked and run a couple times. It's called Beaver Lane. And that's a mine right down there. And right down there where those power lines is I've actually camped out right there on that peak right there. And this over here is Silver Hills Peak. And there's nobody over here on this side, the way I like it. Oh yeah. And down there is Breckenridge. What a day. It's about 52. It's sunny. No clouds in the sky. None. There's still some snow over there. We had about an inch of snow on the peaks of the mountain about 2 days ago. And then right over there, that's called the Windy Ridge. And I've camped out over there too. And I've ran over here on this side of Boss Trail. A lot of people don't know about this side of the mountain. And that's all national forest. And I just parked down there. And got the Boss on this side too. You can see all the trees are starting to turn orange and yellow. Yeah. Wow. And this is the trail I just came up. It's about almost 2 miles. It's basically straight up the mountain. I'm not sure what peak this is called, but it's a Continental Divide, officially. And I'm getting ready to go about 2 more miles, maybe 3, over to that peak and back. There and back. Okay, over and out.